Performance. Today I'm going to show you how to install a time Sert thread repair insert. Similar to a helicoil, but it's a solid hardened piece of metal, not a wound up spring. Much better. First step is to drill out the stripped holes with the included drill bit. Which I've already done. I'm just showing you this. Make sure to blow out any metal shavings. Then included with the kit is a counter bore, which will give you a little bit of a flange for the insert. And then you just do this until you get a bore on it. It's designed to automatically set the depth of the little flange, the little lip. Just like that. Be sure to blow out any debris. Next, use the included tap, which is not a standard tap. It's oversized, but it is the thread pitch that you need. Make sure you get it nice and square. There's the tap threads. Be sure and blow out the shavings. Now included in the kit is this. This is the insert tool. It's slightly oblonged. This will only thread on part of the way. And as you tighten it in, it will expand the insert and lock it into place. Just be sure to add a little bit of oil to the threads. There you go. You'll feel it kind of break through a little bit. And that's all it is expanding the threads into the tap that you just made. Then all of a sudden it'll get easier. And that's it. And you take the tool back out. And there you have it. Thread repair right there. And then the original screw will fit right into it. Very nice. All right. Tune in to MGS anytime. Thank you.